Open the Binance APP. Click More on the home page. Scroll down the page and click API Management. Enter a custom note. Click Create API. Get the mail verification code. Get the phone verification code and enter it. And click Submit. Choose your corresponding API bound to Royal Queue. Click on the arrow. Click Edit. Check spot trading permission. Check recommended. Open the Royal Queue APP. Click API binding. Choose Binance Exchange. Click Copy IP. Return to the Binance API page and paste the copied IP and click Confirm. Click Save. Note that the secret key is only displayed once. Please save it properly. Get the phone verification code. And enter it. And click Submit. Copy API key.
Return to Royal Queue APP.
And enter the API key. Return to the Binance page. And copy the secret key. Enter secret key. Obtain and enter the verification code. Check risk warning book. Click Bind.
Royal Queue.